Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best mini drones. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Geprc Cinebot30 HD Mini Drone. The Geprc Cinebot30 HD03 is a cutting-edge FPV drone designed for high-quality cinematic shots and smooth flight experiences. Featuring the advanced DJI O3 Air unit, it captures stunning 4K video at 60 FPS, delivering exceptional clarity and vibrant colors. Its compact 3-inch frame is optimized for agility and precision, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor filming. The Cinebot30 boasts a powerful yet efficient motor setup, ensuring stable flight and reliable performance. Additionally, its lightweight carbon fiber construction enhances durability while minimizing vibrations for a steady camera feed. Equipped with a comprehensive array of features, including precise flight controls and advanced safety mechanisms, the Cinebot30 HD03 is perfect for both professional filmmakers and hobbyists seeking to elevate their aerial cinematography. Whether navigating tight spaces or capturing sweeping landscapes, this drone offers versatility and high performance in one sleek package. Number 7 in my list is DJI Avata ProView Combo Mini Drone. The DJI Avata is a pricey mini drone if you include the controller, but this is a highly rated, compact mini drone with lots of good specs and good shooting abilities. And it really needs its bespoke controller, as that's half the fun. And with this mini drone, it's all about the first-person view, FPV. This is a unique perspective that leads to both a particular kind of flying experience and a particular kind of footage that makes you feel that you are in the action. Its mini drone meets virtual reality, and it's one of the best FPV drones for consumers. Instead of viewing the footage via a screen, you see it through goggles with sharp OLED displays that have zero latency. The controller is the hand grip style DJI motion controller. You move the mini drone around in the air through your hand movements. It's sort of like holding a fighter jet's joystick in the air. You can bank and roll and quickly and easily make micro adjustments to the drone's flight path. Number 6 in my list is DJI Mavic 3 Pro Mini Drone. This isn't exactly a mini drone, but it's still relatively small and portable for a professional drone, and the best option for endurance video recording, which is why it's included in this guide. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a pro-level drone with pro-level features. Most mini drones have a single lens, or at the most 2. The Mavic 3 Pro, though, has 3 different focal lengths. Its main lens has a Hasselblad sensor and is at 24mm with a variable aperture of f/2.8 to f/11. It shoots a maximum of 5K resolution footage at 50 FPS in 10-bit color, 4K slow motion at 120 FPS, and 20 megapixel raw stills. The other camera lenses are a 70mm medium telephoto and a 166mm telephoto. Both these lenses can shoot RAW files and 4K video at up to 60 FPS, although neither offers the 5K resolution of the main lens. And how about that endurance? The DJI Mavic 3 can stay in the air for around 43 minutes on a full charge, and it can fly up to 28 kilometers away, making it a great long-range drone. Number 5 in my list is DJI 2 Southeast Mini Drone. The DJI Mini 2 Southeast is the best budget mini drone in this guide. It only costs $400, but despite that low price tag, it has great specs. It captures 2.7K video at up to 30 FPS and 1080 pixels at up to 60 FPS in a very compact package. It weighs less than 250 grams, so it's both portable and easy to use pretty much anywhere. That weight means there are fewer use restrictions and also no need to register the mini drone with any flight authority. Despite being so light, these mini drones don't have a problem flying in strong winds, and whether they're flying or hovering, they stay quite stable. The DJI Mini 2 Southeast is an excellent option for beginners too, with its range of intelligent flight modes and features such as return home. This means that if the controller dies or the drone's battery starts to run low, It will automatically turn around and fly to where it last received a signal from. It has a respectable flight time too, especially for a mini drone at this price point. A full charge will get you 31 minutes in the air, and at a maximum distance of 10 kilometers. Number 4 in my list is Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus Mini Drone. The Autel EVO Nano Plus is Autel's first sub-250 grams mini drone, and to my mind, the best mini drone with a camera that doesn't belong to DJI, which almost completely dominates the entire market. This mini drone is cheaper than the DJI Mini Pro, but with a slightly higher camera resolution. It has an excellent 1/1 28-inch CMOS sensor, which is great for low light conditions, housed in a 3-axis gimbal, and can shoot 50 megapixel images and 4K video up to 30 FPS. The sensor is paired with a fixed f/1.9 Leica lens, and it delivers stunning image quality. It has a particularly nice drone controller with an ergonomic grip and joysticks, which respond well and are neither too tight nor too loose. The transmission signal between the controller and the mini drone is outstanding, keeping the connection up even through obstacles. Obstacles the mini drone can also avoid with ease thanks to its front, rear, and bottom obstacle avoidance sensors. Both the mini drone and the controller have internal cooling fans to prevent overheating when in use. Number 3 in my list is DJI 4 Pro Mini Drone. DJI Mini 4 Pro is the most advanced mini drone in the market to date, weighing less than 249 grams and with upgraded safety features like omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Not only is this drone regulation friendly, but it is also the safest in its series. With an incredible 1/1 3-inch sensor, the Mini 4 Pro integrates powerful imaging capabilities with even more powerful intelligent shooting features and extended video transmission distance. Take Active Track 360 degrees, for instance. This feature will come in handy for taking cinematic videos while running, biking, or skateboarding, even if you're on a solo adventure. The drone will automatically perform a bunch of maneuvers such as tracking the subject from different directions, as well as ascending and spiraling around. Moreover, the Mini 4 Pro has DJI's latest safety feature, Vision Assist, that will help you anticipate obstacles in every direction during a flight. Number 2 in my list is DJI 3 Mini Drone. This combo, available at its best ever price right now, comes with the DJI RC remote controller, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HE display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. And the cool thing about the Mini 3 is that features the same 1/1 3-inch CMOS sensor and f/1.7 aperture as the more expensive Mini 3 Pro, $849 with DJI RC. Meaning you can record dazzling 4K/30 FPS HDR videos with true-to-life colors, both during the day and at night, and click 48 MP photos. And in the true vertical shooting mode, the camera can rotate 90 degrees to capture content that is perfect for TikTok and Instagram. A regular battery gives you a maximum flight time of 38 minutes, but that can be extended up to 51 minutes with Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately. Do keep in mind, though, that using the bigger battery tips the drones weight over 250 grams, requiring more compliance with aviation authorities. More on that below. Here are the key highlights of Mini 3 at a glance. Number 1 in my list is DJI 4K Mini Drone. The Mini 4K is the latest addition to the DJI Mini camera drone series, and it is easily the best, most budget-friendly, and reliable gadget for beginner pilots. Despite its affordable price, the new DJI drone can capture 4K video at 30 fps with 2x digital zoom and 2.7K footage at 60 FPS. Basically, the Mini 4K has got everything a beginner pilot needs: one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS-guided return to home RT8, 4K Ultra HD video camera, and 3-axis gimbal for cinematic quality shooting, plenty of pre-programmed flight modes, and a long battery life of up to 31 minutes. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.